Hey, what's up, y'all? Y'all already know who this is. This is Ron the freaking Don. Today, I wanted to speak about the recent endorsement that VP Kamala Harris has received from actress and pop star Taylor Swift. Recently, Taylor Swift has gave VP Kamala Harris an endorsement following her debate with Trump last Tuesday evening. She made a recent post on her Instagram account that contains 284 followers, saying that she endorses Kamala Harris because of her stance on abortion and IVF treatments. And afterwards, according to reports from YouGov, that has led to a surge of 300,000 new voters through through the link on Taylor Swift Instagram account. 300,000 new registered voters. That's out. You could say on the surface that those are decent numbers. However, in comparison to her 284 million followers, it's not a high number. It's actually a relatively low number in comparison to the amount of total followers that she has. So what that tells you? What that tell you? This goes to show that the Hollywoodification of politics is slowly starting to diminish. Because nowadays, I think the American people has realized that these celebrities are in a total different tax bracket than they are. The average person like you and me, we're in a total different tax bracket than these Hollywood celebrities, which means that their voting interests are likely to be different than ours. So they have the money to say, do whatever they and live the lifestyle that they would like to live. Us, hey, we going to live the lifestyle that we can afford. So, which means that these celebrities are likely disconnected from the everyday reality of the American people. So and then on top of that, why should us American people listen to these celebrities when it comes to politics? Because their lane, their expertise is within that field that they're in. Taylor Swift expertise is in music or in pop music, top 40. That's her lane. People like Usher, who was recently on The View a couple days ago, his lane is R&B, R&B, hip hop genre. That's his lane. And I respect the answer he gave on The View when Joy Bayer, or I'm not sure how to mention her name, but when Joy Bayer has tried to pressure Usher into into endorsing Kamala Harris. He did give an endorsement, say he was going to vote for her, but he didn't bash Trump. Joy Behar was trying to get Usher to bash Trump, and Usher said, "Okay, that's not my lane. I'm not really into politics." So I respect that answer, and that's the answer that every celebrity should give. Why? Because celebrities, their expertise in their profession is music, sports, film, acting, TV shows, TV, media. That's their lane and their expertise. Their lane is not politics, so we shouldn't look to them for advice. That includes Cardi B, Megan Thee Stallion as well. We shouldn't look to them for advice, even though they do have a big influence in how the average person within the urban community vote. They shouldn't have an influence in our voting. They shouldn't, but unfortunately, these people, these public relations specialists, their PR specialists, and the PR specialists in the political campaigns and in music, they acknowledge that black people, us urban communities, that people that live in the urban communities that look up to celebrities. They acknowledge that. They acknowledge that we look up to celebrities. So, and what they do is that they take advantage of that. They use it to their advantage and they pander. So that's what the whole rally, Megan Thee Stallion twerking at Harris rally in Atlanta early in the summer was about. Because they know, these PR specialists in the political and music campaigns know that that's what us black people in the urban community look up to. We look up to celebrities. We idolize celebrities, and they know that, so they use that to their advantage, which is why they use them as influencers and ambassadors as a way to get their fan base to vote for politicians, to vote for them. But that's their formula that they utilized since I don't know when. Since who knows when. Since TV and media was invented. But yeah. But yeah, that's my 2 cents. That's my 2 cents on the issue. And I will catch y'all in my next video as the election cycle continues. You like this video? Hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Peace.